Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Chima. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in South Africa. So welcome back to another vlog. This is a vlog and it's going to be a 2-day vlog, and I already stepped out of the house. I just wanted to start this vlog here. I'll take you guys through and you will see what I'll be up to today. Yeah, and also in this vlog I just wanted to try out one of the South African dishes. Okay, in my previous video where I did culture shock, someone suggested I try pap and meat, so I'm definitely trying pap and meat. Hi guys, good morning. This is my current location right now. I'm in Apata right now, and I just decided to show you guys the current location. I couldn't film when I was coming here, but definitely while going home I'm going to take you guys along. Yeah, we were actually in a hurry, so I couldn't take you guys along while I was coming, but when I'm done with what I'm doing here, I'm definitely going to take you guys along. I'm in Apatla. This is also in Limpopo, and yeah, it's just out of the town. Okay, a 360 of where I am. Yeah, the sun is actually too much, but I just hope you guys can see me. This is where I am right now. I'll see you guys later. Okay, so guys, I'm done with what I came here to do, and I'm on my way home right now. I'm actually on my way home now, so I'm just going to take you guys along. I just hope you can hear me. It's a little bit windy here, but this is Apatla. Yeah, I'm sure you might have already seen the clip of what I was doing. Okay, I had a bride here. Yeah. There's an uncle here who is dropping me off. He's the brother to the bride. He volunteered to drop me off. Okay, so I'm just so happy, you guys, because I was already thinking on how to leave this place because hubby is not around, but he volunteered to drop me off. So thank him for me, guys. There's no Uber here, there's no Taxify here. Yeah. Okay, so I just got home now, and they actually gave me food. I just want to show you guys the food, okay? And I'm going to be digging into that food now. It's actually pap, and let me show you guys. This is actually called samp. This one is samp. This is pumpkin. This is pap right here, and a little bit of sauce, okay? And this is called, I think this is buns. In my place we call it buns, but here they call it scones. Scones, I think. And a little bit of fish, and meat. You know, South Africans love meat. Okay, you can't eat without meat. This is chicken and fish. So let me. Hi guys, good afternoon. So in the beginning of this vlog, I said I'm going to be trying out some of the South African dishes here, like one of my subscribers suggested. So I'm actually going to be eating food from the street, not like from the restaurant or anything. I want to go local. Okay, you know I'm a local girl, so I'm going to the street right now to go get something to eat. I'll actually be eating pap and chicken intestine. So let's go guys. Not here.
The nice one.
We are going somewhere nice.
Look at that.
These are the places where you can buy street food, okay? So we are actually going to. Are you sure, Dima? Have you tried anyone before?
Eh?
Have you eaten anyone?
Oh, well, we used to eat that side.
Okay, let's go that side now.
We call it malana.
Okay. Okay, guys, it's called malana, ne? So we'll be buying this one. This is the intestine.
Yes.
It's called chicken intestine, yeah. So let's buy now. You said this one is how much?
This one is 30.
30. We want chicken, we don't want beef.
Chicken
Eh.
is 60. This one is half chicken.
Eh.
Full of it is 120.
Yeah, ne?
120 bucks.
What about intestine?
Intestine is 35 bucks, half plate pack 50 and
You know what, ne? We are going to buy this one half. Then we'll buy one of this one.
this one
Eh. You sell it with what?
full plate. We serve it with
With pap.
chakalaka, soup and potatoes.
Oh, Zima. It's happening. Right,
Where's
now.
back home?
Yeah, I'm from Nigeria.
From Nigeria.
Hey.
We're from the tip of the continent.
Yes, I'm from West Africa. Yeah. Can I show your face? Should I show them your face? Yeah, look at him, okay? This is our Rasta man.
Hello.
Hi. Yeah.
On the camera.
Yeah.
On the flesh.
Yes.
This camera.
Hello.
Hi, sister.
Hello.
Hello. These things.
I'm showing my people.
Showing people about how local Chisanya.
Yeah, exactly.
Alina 500.
Yeah, make it hot. Hot and then put peri peri.
Alina 500.
Hey.
500.
Make it juicy.
Juice.
Forward.
Oh, no chele lintwe. Wala mona marao a portia. Chele ambrele lebele ngwadi lemu.
Okay, this place is for Rasta.
Yeah, it's for Rasta for I please.
Oh, okay.
Around Skukune they say
Rasta's place, ne?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. Now I understand, Shem. Okay. I'm a Rasta. Eh?
Hey yo, what's up, one? Welcome to Rasta's place.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, live. You can see the niggas hustling.
Yes.
That's what's up.
They're gonna see us all the way in Nigeria. I got a friend on Facebook. His name is Benny Casper.
He's from Nigeria.
Yeah, Benny Casper.
Yeah, ne?
I think he's an aspiring rapper or something.
Okay.
Like
Oh.
those rappers in Nigeria.
They can rap there. Oh, I mean, I listen to hip hop.
Davido is from Nigeria.
Hey.
All I know is that Davido is, you know, this time, I don't know, it's African pop or what. What makes us common is the food, you know,
Is
and the
it?
music.
Yes.
Music and food. So that's why we meet up with people like Benny Casper. That's why we talk to.
Yeah. Yeah, too much.
Like I wanna share everything.
So guys, this one is malana, chakalaka, and this one is potatoes.
Even soup is there also.
This is the soup.
Like we are
Yeah.
having a drink in one or something now.
I like your service.
My service.
Hey, very nice.
No, but you are a tourist, so it's kind of give you the experience.
Yes. So I'm welcome here anytime.
You're welcome.
Alright.
Take me with,
Anyway.
let me experience more of your culture as well. Let me
All right. When I make money, now I'm still broke.
when you go home, I will get my own money.
Where you guys come from?
The man you paid. Thank you guys, ne.
We can have
Bye bye. Stop, ne. Bye bye. So guys, you saw what happened. You saw how we made new friends. Okay, so we're about going home now. Someone dropped us off while we were coming, but we're going to be taking a taxi back home. So I'll see you when we get to the shop. We might stop off at the shop and eat. So I'll see you when we get to the shop. We are at the shop right now and we are about to dig in. Okay, the food is overwhelming, but we're gonna eat it. We are a lot here and we are jumping on this. I asked the guy to add a little bit of peri-peri to make it hot, because I cannot eat it if it's not hot at least. So let me show you guys. Pap, this is chicken and gravy and potatoes, and this is intestine. Okay, for my Nigerian brothers, I know this looks surprising to you. Yeah, don't be surprised. Okay, intestine is also meat. This pap is huge. All right, let's eat. Okay guys, I'm starting with the intestine. Yeah, I want to try it. It's nice, sweet, I like it. The only down part is that there is no pepper. Peri-peri is not hot the way I like, but it's delicious, you guys. Street food is actually sweet, okay? Yeah. they can testify to the fact that the food is sweet, isn't it?
Very nice.
Nice. Come and eat with us, you guys. We didn't even call you guys. Come and eat. Okay. This is pap and meat. Like I was telling you in my previous video, if you haven't seen that video, well, if you haven't seen that video that I did, okay, I was talking about how you eat pap and meat. So for those who don't know, this is pap, okay, and we eat it with meat. And malana is intestine. So delicious, you guys. Pap and intestine.
And we are going to finish this.
After eating, we go and sleep.
So pap makes you sleep.
And then the this one is what?
This one is a gravy.
I forgot to buy peri peri.
But next time.
But next time I would like to sprinkle a little bit of peri peri so that it will be hot at least. Okay guys, so we finished eating and it was delicious. Okay, I have my friends who helped me enjoy the meal and it was just so nice. Only the fact that there was no peri peri, there was no pepper in the food, and I didn't eat so much, but I really enjoyed it. This is my first time actually trying the chicken intestine, and it's actually meat, okay, very nice and yummy, and it has this grilled taste to it. It's just so nice. So I'm just going to end this vlog here, and I hope you enjoyed it. In this vlog I took you guys to Rapatla here in Limpopo, and I also showed you the streets. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the Rasta guys. Okay, they are my newfound friends now, and if you want to see videos like this on this channel, do leave me a comment in the comment section and I will definitely look into that. Okay, yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next one. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? And you've watched up to this point, do click on that red button that says subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up. Do not forget to also share my videos out to your friends, your family. Let's grow together. Okay, yeah, so this is bye bye from me to you. Bye bye.